Look like the mess.
This week, I hope that campers learn that their small actions have big impacts and that they have a say in the future of the Earth.
My favorite part of being a mentor here at Science U is getting to learn alongside our kids. A lot of the times they ask me questions that I don't know the answer to, and I have the opportunity in those situations to learn alongside them. We can ask questions to our instructors, we can look things up together. When they ask questions, I get to grow a little bit as a person too, and that's really special to me.
This week I think our campers will most enjoy our trip to the stream. We are going to Spring Creek and that's always a highlight. We get to do a macroinvertebrate study and learn about the health of the stream and how our actions sort of affect the health of that stream.
Oh,